God damn, it looks way better. So it's relevant again to publish photos on Instagram, but which are the best settings? So a lot of YouTubers focus on proportion of the image and the pixels of the image, but there is something that I think that it's a little bit more important, is when you go to export as, if you can see here, more options. Very important is the color space. There is no question, only use sRGB. If you change to Adobe RGB, it has to retranscode the color to sRGB and it will mess everything up. Output sharpening. By default, it's on none, but if you put on screen, you have three options: low, standard, and high. So what I'm gonna do, all the three ways. So let's see what we're gonna get. Now, if you don't see much difference, probably is because of the compression of the recording app and the YouTube compression. So stick with me. Or even better, do yourself this test. FYI, you should have high quality upload on Instagram activated. So go to the three dots on the top, settings and privacy, go all the way down to data usage, and upload high quality should be activated. This image looks really good. So as you can see, this is a high output sharpness. The hair looks sharp, but unnatural sharp. There is some like artificial sharpness added that I don't think is natural. Your opinion may vary. So this is the low sharpness. So the low sharpness is better than the high output sharpness. It's sharp enough. It doesn't have a digital artificial sharpness. Honestly, standard is the best one until now. I really like it. It's sharp, but it's not looking unnatural. And let's go to no output sharpness. No, honestly, no. Output sharpness test, the standard is the best one. So that will be the one that we're gonna use now to talk about resolution. A lot of YouTubers say that it's better to use the full resolution image. Others say that you have to use 1080 resolution. A few years ago I did this test and it was the best one that I figured out. And there is a new one that I found a little bit mind-boggling, is use the double horizontal resolution. That means instead of exporting the image at 1080, you export at 2160. We're gonna have to test that. So 1080, honestly, looking sharp, looking really good. And the full, you can see that the full, there is some artifacts showing up in her hair, probably from compression. That 2160. I think it looks better. God damn, it looks way better. I'm looking to the hair. If I zoom in, you can see that the full, there is some artifacts showing up in her hair. So 2160, everyone, that is new. Let's use that from now on. A lot of people say that you have to upload the image with the correct proportion. That means 1:1 or 5:4 or something like that. But most professional cameras do 2:3. That means that you have to really crop your image. But just ignoring that and just cropping while you are uploading will make any difference or not. So I'm gonna upload two images. This one, it's 4:5. This one, 2:3, and crop in the Instagram option. So that means I'm gonna press share. As you can see, I have to recrop the image, okay? So I'm gonna push it down for this test. So it just won't crop in the middle, it will crop a little bit down. So Instagram has to do a little bit more work, okay? This is the 2:3 upload. It's displaying 5:4 because Instagram crops the image and it looks fine. Let's see the other upload. Okay, the one that was uploaded with the correct proportion is looking way better, especially on the eyelashes. Okay, people, upload with the correct proportion. So the image quality is how much you compress the image to have roughly the same quality, not really, less volume. For printing, you want to have the highest one, 100% of quality, but the file will be heavy, okay? If you want a lighter file, So you have to reduce to 80%, 60%. So what I'm gonna do is export this image, quality 100%, 80%, 60%, and 40%, and see how much will affect on Instagram. Okay, 40% test, I immediately see without any question that there is some artifacts. Now 60% has a little bit of artifacts, especially on her hair here. Honestly, 80% it's pretty damn good, and 100%, I don't see any difference, honestly. The lips, the details in the lips is the same. 80%, if you want to save some space, 80% is the way to go. So, in resume, let's see which is the best settings that we test out to export your image. First of all, the crop needs to be 4:5 or 1:1 or 16:9. So for this image, 4:5. Then let's go to share, export as, and again, the long side is 2700 because it's vertical image. The quality will be 80%, more options. The output sharpening, it will be screen, standard, sRGB. So let's export this image. There you go, the best period settings period to export period to Instagram. Just for fun, let's upload one with the incorrect settings, okay? I immediately see that the colors are fade down. The bluer is not bluish as it's supposed to. Now let's see the sharpness and everything. So if I go down, oh yeah. You can actually see the stars are popping up from the screen with the correct exposure settings. There you go. So the best absolute settings to export your image to Instagram. Drop a like if you learned something, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I am Miguel, until next time, see ya.